Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to explore about updated feature of Google Bot, that is, it is powered by Gemini Pro. So in this video we are going to discuss what are the important updates has been made and how it has insane features in Google Bot, and also we are going to discuss how it will work out better than ChatGPT. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So this will be a better tutorial about this Gemini Pro powered Google Bot. So let us go on to today's video and explore the options. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also going to explore about different types of prompts in ChatGPT, especially research prompts, and how that prompts will be helpful for us to bring a better content out of ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. As EV become popular nowadays, so here is a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources in MATLAB. So you are going to model PV and wind energy sources with different MPPT techniques, and also you are going to incorporate that PV and wind energy sources with EV charging station in MATLAB. So this will be a live MATLAB workshop regarding this renewable energy sources incorporated with EV charging station. So don't forget to register your online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. MATLAB is a versatile tool for all the applications. So here is a better opportunity for you to learn more basics about MATLAB. So this workshop is all about a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced applications in MATLAB. So in this workshop we are going to explore MATLAB environments, 2D and 3D plotting, basic syntax associated in MATLAB, and also we are going to explore different toolboxes like neural network, ANFIS and fuzzy logic toolboxes in MATLAB, and we are going to do a live MATLAB tuning, that is PA controller tuning in MATLAB. So how that PID and PA controller will be tuned and what are the parameters has to set to make a better controller for your applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video, first we are going to explore about Google Bot. So go to Google Bot, just type Google Bot. So it will lead to the website here. So go to Google Bot. So this is the dashboard you will be getting. So here you can see it is already have tell me what's on your mind, pick up suggestion, understand, create, explore. So you can explore with the option, or else you can create, that is, you can give any input prompt. So accordingly it will generate a content. So the main video is all about this update in Google. So that is, here you can see this is the update. So introducing Gemini, our largest and most capable AI model by Google. So here you can see, so this is all about this Gemini AI. So here there are 3 versions have been proposed in this Gemini AI. So Gemini Ultra, our largest and more capable model for high complexity tasks. Gemini Pro, our best model for scaling across a wide range of tasks. Gemini Nano, our model efficient model for on-device tasks. So this is what has been that is powered by Google Bot. So that is Gemini Pro. So here what is the important thing is that, so how it will outperforms the GPT-4 is that, so here you can see these are the different comparisons have been made. So especially with the 4 things, that is general, reasoning, mathematical and coding. So these are the important things where it will outperforms the GPT. So here you can see, so this is how the improvement in GPT will be. So here you can see the comparisons about GPT and Gemini, that is new model updated. So this Gemini Pro will be that is updated to our Google Bot. So let us see how this Google Bot will works out and will make a better content for our research paper writing. So go to Google Bot. So here you will be having an upload image. So in that I am going to explore with the image. So for that I am going to click. Here you can see, so I am randomly taken a block diagram. So this is the structure of the block diagram. So I am going to save the image. So I have saved the image and I am going to upload that particular block diagram here. So go to desktop. So here I have saved it as board. So after you have uploaded, you can give an input prompt, explain the block diagram in detail. So that is enough. So just to give a prompt like explain the block diagram in detail. So let us see how it will generate results. Here you can see that our content is generated. So I can explain the block diagram you send me. So here you can see PV array. This is the source of DC power from solar panels. Next, DC to DC converter. This converter steps up the voltage from PV to higher PV array to higher DC voltage. Next, battery, series converter, shunt converter, coupling transformer, neural network based shunt controller. The DC to DC converter and series converter are controlled by a DC link voltage controller. So like that, it is generated a better explanation of the block diagram section wise. So if you want this block diagram explanation as a paragraph, so in the prompt itself you have to mention explain the block diagram in paragraph, in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Like that, if you mention means it will generate content. So it will be very easy for us to analyze the data and get a better content for our research paper. So in order to explore more, so I have used this graph. So here you can see this is the image showing so different types of output power for different efficiencies. So for in this Google bot I am going to upload this image. So here you can see, so I am going to upload the image in the Google bot. So after that I am going to give an input prompt like that. From the above graph, please make a table from the data obtained the data shown in above graph. Please make a table. So let us see whether it will generate table or not. So we have seen that we have copied a table and it will generate a theoretical content. So in this what we are going to do is we are going to upload a graph, that is an image. So from that image whether it will read correctly and form a table or not. So let us see, let us discuss that one. So here you can see that our content is generated. So here you can see the output power and efficiency is plotted. So accordingly it will show that the efficiency and output power. So but you have to check it once, it won't show perfectly. So here you can see for 500 it is 85. So for example we will check it out. So for 900, so for 900 it's showing 89.3. So it is showing 93. So you will be very keen in checking this particular data you have given to graph. So here you can open it as a spreadsheet also. So here you can see, so the spreadsheet is opened. So from that you can copy and paste it as a, or you can save it as a Excel file. So this is the second option here, Google bot, but you have to check it once because so this has to be trained even better. So as far as block diagram is concerned, it is generated a very better content. So you can use the block diagram. So next we will explore with whether it will write some some literature review or not. So let us go and take a random references here. So I am going to take a random reference here. So take any paper. So in this paper you can choose any 5 references. So these are some of the references in the paper, random paper. So I am going to select 5 references and then go to Google bot. So copy and paste the references from the above 5 references. Make a literature review mentioning its merits and demerits of the papers and also cite them properly. So this is what the input I am going to give. So cite them properly. So after that you can give enter. So let us see how it will generate literature review for you. So whether it will generate a better literature review, then it will one of the better option to write your literature review. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see, so it is separately Banish back EDAL. So it is cited. Next it will mention the merits and demerits separately. So as we have not asked as a paragraph, it is generated a content separately. So here you can see this is how it is cited. So like that it has generated the content. So if you want it as a paragraph, so in the prompt itself you have to specify and customize that I want this as a paragraph. So it will generate like a paragraph. So this is all about this Googlebot new update with Gemini Pro. So especially this will be a better option for us as we are struggling to write explanation for a block diagrams or any other pictures, flowcharts, etc. in our research paper. So this will help you to make a better theoretical content for your research paper without any plagiarism. So you can go on paraphrase it with Googlebot also itself. So this is all about this update regarding Googlebot. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore with Googlebot with the updated Gemini Pro details. So make your research paper writing simple. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.